Hey guys, Technometro with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install a SIM card on your iPhone 5C. So let's get started. So in order to install it, first thing is you need to locate the SIM tray, which is going to be on the right hand side for the iPhone 5C. You'll see on your right hand side against this edge here, it's the little hole. That's where the SIM tray goes in. And then you'll take your SIM ejector tool, which looks like this. If you don't have this tool, don't worry. You can take a paper clip as well and fold it like this, or anything like a earring piece or something that's metal that's small enough to go in that hole, where you can give a gentle push to pop that tray out. So I'll take my SIM ejector tool, put it in that hole, and then I'm going to give it a gentle push. And you should hear a little pop. And then as you can see here, the SIM tray has been out, and then we can take our fingers and just play with it till we can pull it out. As you can see here, you'll take your finger and it pulls out just like that, and we have the SIM card tray out. Now the iPhone 5C takes a nano size SIM card, which is the smallest SIM card. And what you'll do is you'll notice there's a cut corner here, and then you'll take your SIM card, locate that cut corner, and then just simply place it till it's flush like that and sits nicely. And then we'll go ahead and take our iPhone 5C here, just insert it back the way you pull it out. You match up the hole and then push it in till it clicks and sits against the bezel flush just like that. And we have now inserted and installed a new SIM card into our iPhone 5C, and we should see the phone get service in a few seconds. Now if you don't get phone service right away, a couple things to do. You can turn off your iPhone and then turn it back on, and after that wait a few seconds or so. Now if you're still having issue, you might want to contact your carrier to make sure the SIM is active. Sometimes they need to activate it on their end as well. And another thing you can do is, let's say in a couple minutes it didn't work, you can always take it out again and then just put the SIM card back again, just to make sure it didn't do something funny the first time around. Same thing, just take it out completely and just insert it back on. And hopefully after that your SIM card is working and you have your SIM installed on your iPhone 5C. And I hope this video was helpful. And if you found this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.